In this video, we are going to see how we can change the download location from a default location to anything we specify on the Brave browser. So what you can do is just go to the top right hand corner on the hamburger sign, click on it and go to settings right at the bottom. From here, just click on the downloads on the left hand side. And here it says the default location is set to C, users, Saad and downloads. Whatever is the username, it will show up here. So we want to change this and we want to specify something in the C drive. Let's say that we have customized our downloads folder. We have simply created it and we want to select that. So now it goes to C. D drive is just a folder name that I have given to C drive because I only have one drive. So if you only have one drive as well, just save all the important files into a separate folder and call it a D drive, so that whenever you want to install the Windows, you just know that you want to move only this folder data. And after that, you can also toggle that off. If you don't want to ask to save before downloading, you automatically want it to be always downloaded in the same folder. But otherwise, I'll just keep it on, show downloads when they are done. All settings are perfect. Just make sure that whenever you save any changes, you just open the Brave browser application again and click on the top right hand corner on the hamburger sign, click on the settings, go to the bottom, click on downloads and make sure that location is perfectly saved. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.